Okay, so these are my carrots, and this is where I'm at. So I want to say maybe a couple of months ago, I just started planting these. These leaves are starting to sprout up, they're starting to come up, they look good, they look healthy, they're very well taken care of. They are also companion planted and are also mashed in between some tomatoes that are here along these trellises. In the footage, you'll show you how I thin these guys out and how they look now. Just like these guys and just like these guys over here. Like, comment, subscribe, ask me questions. Hi. So, have you ever had a party where everybody responded to the RSVP and you could somewhat control the flow of traffic? Maybe you have some late night eats, maybe you have a formal dinner, open bar, or whatever. Over here, this is what this looks like, okay? These are all carrots right here, right? Kind of organized, you know, this, that, and the other, right? Right here is what we have. When people don't reply to the RSVP, they show up anyway with a +1 that wasn't supposed to be on the list anyway to begin with, right? And now you have this, okay? You're running out of food, you're running out of liquor, you don't even know a lot of these people, right? So what do? You gotta go. And you gotta go. Carrots sometimes will have a bunching effect amongst each other, and what you have to do is thin them out a little bit or they will not grow at all. So I'm gonna pull out just a few of these to get them to look a little bit more uniform like that. They will still be a little bit close and clustered, not as much as it is right here at the typical black person cookout, but still close enough where we should have some good growth out of some and some that may not make it. Like this guy. And, oh, these people definitely didn't RSVP. And this one drove a Subaru here, so we'll pull that one out right away. We want to pull enough of these so it doesn't look like a Diddy party past 12 o'clock. Okay. People need room, they need space to grow. You know what? You can't do that when you're being helicoptered by other plants and stuff next to you. Alright? And carrots are pretty fickle like that. Alright, so if you see, I have thinned these out a little bit, much like these guys here. You still might see a little bit more volume here, but that row consistently goes from one side of the bed to the other. Where this one, we're kind of feathered off closer to the furthest end from me. So I'm gonna still keep just a few of these in here, but I did thin them out some. Like, comment, subscribe. Ask me questions in the comments, something. I like carrots, I hope you like carrots. Carrots. All right, that's all.